Scoobie's second bath. God bless you. God bless you. You're giving me a bath too. God bless you. Yeah. He won't. His wings are too short. They're growing, but...
Will it get bigger now?
Oh, no, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, he's a handful.
He's starting to talk yet?
Not yet. He says hello a little bit.
You teaching him?
Yeah.
You say hello, he'll say hello?
Well, not that. Not all the time. He has to be in the mood.
Oh, you got to be in the mood to say hello.
Yeah.
You're in a playful mood now, so you don't want to say hello. You just want to tell me to get the hell out of here.
I'm in my bath. I'm doing the bath.
All right.
You take care.
Okay.
Keep cool.
Oh, I'm trying.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what he wants to tell me. Get the hell out of here.
That was our mailman. Dropping the mail off. Your butt's in my face.